Monkey See, Monkey Juju had a space update. Sorry I'm late, but alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's see what this new update is. You're gay. No, I was in here before you, dumb bum. Look at the cosmetics. Oh.
I tried headbanging buttons, so I have to push it.
Oh yeah, I forgot I had these on. Do I have a loud video? I want that on.
There's somebody on top. Oh, I see we need help guarding.
Okay.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Huh?
Come on, get in here.
Who's the baby now?
I'm not running.
Oh wait, what?
Stupid. Are you dodging me?
Yeah, I thought I might get one.
Crap. Oh, my dad's alive.
Oh, that looks cool. Where did you like throw it? Where does it like go in? Wow, that's so cool. Okay, that looks sick. Of course, I hate it.
I'm a fucking child, bitch.
Can I go get that 500 again? You suck, Harry. You suck, Harry balls. No, I was in here before you.
I was trying to get you away.
You Harry balls. Shut up.
No, I wasn't going to. Let's go get it first.
And nothing happened.
We need a new person.
Everybody calm. No, everybody calm. Oh shit, he just here. And it's so random. Whoa.
Oh, the rocket. Where? I've never seen it like here. No, wait.
No, wait. Do not put that on.
I got yellow.
Man, who picked you back?
He's in the banana.
Okay, I'm gonna buy a Pixelated game and see what it looks like.
Stop! I didn't even do anything. Yes, you did. You know what you said this thing.
What is a
I never
Pixelated
did.
game?
Okay, well, let me take away this iPod. You have a rocket. You better not be.
Okay, that's sick. You can not tell me that.
Yo.
Let me turn on the loud music. Oh, let's go try it out in the back. There's probably a new map or something. Yo, okay. Okay, this is... Wait. Wait, does it get darker? Oh yeah, it does.
I knew it was
Alright, we're going on.
I knew
Easy
it
map. Survival map. Yes! Oh, I love this one. I love this one. I'm so bad at this game. Please don't rate me. got 60 bananas at least. Oh, let's go. Okay, is there any other new maps? Is there any other new maps? Yeah, that one. Moonbase. No, Moonbase. Yes. Okay, I need to see that one. No, put it on Moonbase, buddy. Put it on Moonbase. Please.
Screw the moon chase.
Put it on
Screw the
Moonbase.
moon chase.
Fuck you guys. Okay. I don't know how that happened. Let's join.
Guys, I'm gonna. Guys, I pick
Can
again.
you guys put it on Moonbase? Can you guys put it on
I pick
Moonbase?
again.
Yes.
Again.
Oh, Moonbase.
Yeah,
No, I need Moonbase. No,
I know you want that.
whatever. Okay, guys, there is Moonbase. But finally, it's video. I'll play one more round with the pixelated poop. Oh, I love you all. Okay, we're back. Let's go.
Why is everybody
Thanks. Gonna say the hot dog.
Womp womp, get us here.
Oh, wait, they actually. I never knew that. Well, I did when they get right now. Like at Christmas.
I hate those maps.
Right, you guys don't know that. Oh, hell no, man! No! No! Fuck! Bad word. Yeah, no, I'm not using it. It's a very bad word.
I'm pausing.
There's something I want to check out.
Alexa.
In there.
No, what did I?
Okay, I think I have to go check a review. Wait, what the hell is that? Oh, yeah, that's already been there, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure.
Penguin!
What are you talking about? What's else? Rocket over here.
How did you get to the moon? Oh, what the heck is going on here, right? These are climbable. What else is climbable? Guys, you know what? You guys know what else is climbable?
Alright,
No.
I'm gonna go check.
There is a moderator.
I want to check my logo. Yeah. I don't know how I don't even know how to get anything in this. But like, don't make fun of me because I'm a pro at this game. For sure. Let me make you one. Wait, where is this from? Oh, I get it.
Oh my god!
I have allowed you to watch.
It's called the jump. I'm jumping that.
No. Okay.
Shooting through the wall.
Bye. No, my game gonna crash.